Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on REALME C63. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Then click open and then click continue, and here you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel and you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now again, and you can turn notifications, or you can click not now. And here you can select your theme, or you can click 7 to continue, and now you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click 7 to continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.